Hi, I'm Vijay Vaswani and I'll take you through our short presentation on the spiral of silence theory. You might be wondering who this young woman is. Her name's Elizabeth Noel Newman and she was a political scientist. She is the founder of the spiral of silence theory. She was born in Berlin, Germany in 1916 and she died in 2010. She studied journalism, history, and philosophy during her younger days and eventually got a PhD in American mass surveys on politics and the press in Berlin. Now, you might be wondering why there's an iron over here. I just saw the irony that she was studying history and now she's part of it. But stop right there. It is not the end yet. We're here to talk about the spiral of silence. What is the spiral of silence, you might ask? The downward spiral of silence is a common theory which gives the idea that an individual might choose to keep their opinion to themselves due to the fear of isolation. So here's the frameworks based on a few assumptions. So it predicts that the public opinion in mass media gives more coverage on majorities instead of minorities. People have a fear of rejection to express their opinions and they know how to have a better likelihood. This is also known as the fear of isolation. The minority loses confidence and mute themselves of their own views because they feel alone and unsupported. Oh no! So here are some of the advantages of the spiral of silence theory. It has both micro and macro level of explanatory. It works well during public campaigns and it helps raise the question of the roles and responsibilities of media in the society. Some of the disadvantages, however, include the overly negative portrayal of media's influence in the average people and the fact that it doesn't consider the other explanation of silencing. Here is a true example of this theory in action. So in 1991, support for the Gulf War from the people in the US was measured through a survey. The results showed that most people were opposed to the war and were not supportive. Rather, the media which was supportive of the government and the war showed otherwise. People who got information through the media were suddenly more supportive of the war as they wanted to be part of the majority. This is the spiral of silence. To be continued. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to our short presentation. Bye bye.